Hi, my name's Amy and I race motocross. I have been racing since I was 5. I started riding when I was 4, racing since I was 5. As a junior I always raced with the boys because there was never enough females in the sport. There's jumps up to 100 foot, 120 foot jumps. As a junior I think a lot of girls actually looked up to me, and some of them have started racing. They just see other girls out there and think they can give it a go. Because it is a pretty expensive sport, it's great to have sponsors to help you out. Stratco have been a massive help this year, so thank you for them. I purchased this Stubbie Shed from Stratco. It's perfect size to keep a bike in. It's very secure. I went with the roller door on the front of the shed. It's nice and convenient, doesn't take up too much room, lets light in, which is great when you need to work on things. My partner and I installed this shed. The instructions were very easy to follow. It was pretty simple to put up. I'm really happy with the service that we received from Stratco. I'm really happy with the end result of the shed, and it's perfect for what I need.